Today, we bring you a troubling story involving 3 teachers who have been arrested for an alleged employment scam within the Ghana Education Service, GES. Samuel Mensah Amelikpo, David Bacha Ntenyam, and Daniel Ofori Boateng have each been granted bail of GHC394,000.00 by an Accra Circuit Court. They are required to provide 2 sureties each from the Ghana Education Service, GES, teaching profession or family members, and must report to the police every Wednesday. The case has been adjourned to April 30, 2024. The question remains, guilty or not guilty? According to Police Chief Inspector Daniel Danku, the trio is accused of conspiring to defraud 42 individuals of GHC394,500.00 by promising to secure teaching jobs within the GES. The complainant, Sumaila Awuides, was unemployed and residing in Kukurantumi, Eastern Region. Meanwhile, Amelikpo, Bacha, and Boateng are teachers residing in different parts of Ghana. In August 2023, Amelikpo allegedly communicated to the complainant about available GES recruitment slots and claimed to have protocols for recruitment. He assured full refunds if the recruitment failed. Subsequently, Amelikpo collected GHC394,000.00 from the complainants under the pretext of securing jobs. However, he failed to fulfill the promises and went into hiding. Efforts to reach Amelikpo were in vain, leading to a police report. He was eventually arrested in Accra, where he admitted to collecting money but failing to deliver on job placements. Amelikpo implicated Bacha and Boateng, who were subsequently arrested. During the investigation, Bacha admitted receiving money from Amelikpo and passing it on to Boateng and another individual for recruitment. Boateng, in turn, acknowledged receiving money and making payments to an alleged accomplice. Police recovered GHC70,000.00 from Boateng, which was returned to the complainant. This case serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance and accountability within our educational institutions. We will continue to monitor developments as the legal proceedings unfold. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates.